going on? Hello and welcome to another episode of S&E's Garage. Today we are here inside of our 2005 Avalon, and we are going to be replacing the passenger front door handle. As you can see, it's all wrinkly and crinkly, and it just doesn't look very good. So we're going to go ahead and pull this door panel off and replace this with a nice new door handle. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to get all the screws and everything out. I'm going to find them first, and then I will show you where they are so you know, and we'll go from there. So I think what we're going to do first is pull this plastic trim piece out and pull this plastic trim piece out behind the handle, and then we're going to start looking for screws. Alright, so we got that panel off. Here it is. We got that panel off. Here it is. You just pop a screwdriver right in the back side by where the lock is. Pop it right out, it'll come right out. Now the only place I see a screw is here, and I see one here. They're both Phillips heads, and then the rest should just be push pins. So let's get those two screws out and see if this panel comes off. Alright guys, we got the only two screws that I can see out. So we're going to go ahead and see if this door panel is just going to pop right off now or not. I'm going to put a screwdriver down here at the bottom, and I'm just going to kind of pry out, and it should just pop just like that. You see how that popped? And now I should just be able to work my way around and release it. So let me do that. Put it down real quick. See what we got. Might be something I'm missing here. Let me see if there might be a screw or something underneath the window switch. Just as I suspected, there is a little screw right behind the window switch. So let's get that guy out too. Then we're gonna have to unplug the window switch in order to get the panel off. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that screw out, unplug the switch. Now the switch is held in with two little push pins, one on the front, one on the back. So I just went ahead in there with a trim tool, and I just kind of slid it in, popped it up. Came over here, did the same thing, slid it in, popped it up. Alright, so we got our door panel off. It's a total of 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. And we did have to remove the window switch, like I said, and then these 2 trim pieces. So let's go over to the door panel and switch that handle out, and we'll get it back on. Here we are with our new handle and our door panel. Now if you'll look at the bottom of the handle, there's 2 little plastic nubs, one there and one there, and that's the only thing that holds this handle in to the door panel. So I'm going to just wedge my screwdriver right under here and kind of pry that up, and it should let me pull this right out. There we go. So here's our old handle, and you're going to see that the plastic is all just kind of delaminating. The little red thing is faded, so I just wanted to put a new one on there, make the car look a little bit better. So this should just pop right in like that. There we go. Boom, that's in. Now we should be good to go put the door panel back on. Let's bring it back out to the car, pop it on. So we had to put our window down in order to get this to sit right. So that was the only issue I had. But I got the panel back on, and I got the wires back through to go ahead and put the screws in and put the switch back on. So let's go ahead and do that. We got all 3 of our screws in, got our door switch back on, window works. We did our relearn, which is real simple. You put the window all the way down, hold it up till it goes all the way up, release, hold it down till it goes all the way down, release. Now your auto up and auto down should work. And yeah, we're just going to put this trim piece back on. We're going to put this little trim piece back on, and we're done. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.